Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I'm going to talk about how can you use the unit and currency conversion feature that is inbuilt now in the new iOS 16. So just swipe down. Now when you're here, you can just search. Let's say I want to search 1 USD. If I write 1 USD, it directly convert 1 USD into 1 INR. Let's say I want to convert 1 USD into euro. I can use a symbol as well. Symbols work as well. Or directly, I can use uh, pound, 1 pound. It'll directly give me the conversion rate currently that's going on, which is 92.66. You can also use, let's say, I want to convert 567 dollars into Indian rupees, directly what it gives. But let's say I want to convert it into pounds, it'll give me the answer, instantaneously. Apart from currencies, you can use wide number of currencies. This is just for example. Let's say you want to use 1 USD into, let's say, yuan. It'll give you the rate as well. Apart from that, if you want to convert, let's say, 1 centimeter, it directly converts into inches. But you can also ask, let's say, into into millimeter. Or you want to convert, let's say, 1 kilometer into miles. It's as simple. You just write it and it will show you this. Or let's say you want to convert 10 degrees, it will directly give you an answer to 10 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. It's very simple, very useful feature. Now you don't have to go to another app or go onto the internet and search for it. It's very simple, very easy. You can do currencies and you can do units. You can convert temperature, you can convert a length, breadth, or any sort of measurements. So yes, this is it, a short video on how to use the currency conversion and unit conversion in the iOS. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.